Kigomano kia 18 kia Arutani anene ya mathukuru ma muthingi ni kiambiriirie umuthi mwena wa Mombatha. Makiria ma Arutani anene 10,000 a thukuru ici na anyiti itemi ruhonge-ini rwa githomo magikinya kigomano-ini giki. Kigomano giki giukite oriri ndereti ya ukinyaniria wa mathomo ma CBC thiine wa junior secondary inyitithitio thinga. Arutani aya makihoya thirikari yongerere kigiina kiria githukagirwo mathukuru ma muthingi.
We have suggested to the government that primary sector in this country has been underfunded for many years. And we believe by the end of this conference, it will be noted more that primary sector needs to be funded through raising of the free primary capitations.
Oho Arutani aya ni manyitite mbaru riendekithia ria kamiti ya mwanya iria irathurima mutaratara wa mathomo bururi-ini ria gutwarithia mathomo ma grade 7 nginyagia grade 9 thiine wa thukuru cia muthingi.
Interim report which was presented to the president last week, we were listened to because when the committee gave a proposal that grade 7, 8, and 9 be domiciled in primary school. That was our wish, that was our prayer. They listened to us, and we say thank you to God for them taking our issue into account.
Mwena-ini wake murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa ukinyaniria wa mathomo KICD Professor Charles Ogondo nioritie Arutani anene matigirire arutani othe mathukuru-ini mao ni mataukwo na magia na umenyo wa mutaratara wa mathomo ma CBC.
Our research at KICD, which is mostly done through coming to you to experience what the learners are doing, have demonstrated to us that public schools have run away with making sure that there's a lot of practicality in schools. To the extent that you are aware, we have been accused of such things as asking learners to bring chicken to school.
Ongondo niongereire ati arutani othe ni mari na uigiririku munene hari ukinyaniria wa mathomo ma CBC, akiuga mathomo maya ni mahingurite mwiciririe na meciria ma arutwo na njira nene.
There are many learners, if you tell them where does the milk come from, what will they tell you? So for us as curriculum developers, we are happy that you are exposing these learners to practical learning moments.
Arutani anene ni mahinyiriirio manyitanire na ruhonge rwa KICD niguo gutigirira ni makinyirwo ni mafuku maria magiriire mathukuru-ini mao.
And I want to lead, Mr. Chairman, because you are the midwives, you are the husbands. When the curriculum designs for grade 7 come to our schools, kindly take the opportunity and expose them to the teachers who are qualified to teach junior, whom you will understand a lot, so that they start familiarized.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma gicua-ini kaunti ya Mombatha, ritwa riakwa ni Ndegwa wa Gathungu.